Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to differentiate for you between the digital blood pressure machines and the analog blood pressure machines with reference to the real machines, and also why you will have to buy from a trusted distributor. So one of the things that people have been asking me is that why are your BP machines so expensive? Now most machines are just like a watch or like a clock, and if you look at this one comes with the analog. This is an analog BP machine, the analog scale, and of course you can connect it to the cuff, and an independent handheld pressure, I can call it. This is actually the one for building the pressure, so I will call it a pressure builder. And this one will come along with the cuff over here. The cable can be connected. I will not experiment. I think most of us have interacted with these devices, but just like this analog model is gonna work, the digital comes to help and show both the systolic and diastolic pressures without you having to read them separately. Of course, for this one you'll read the systolic for the systolic and then take the diastolic on this same scale. So what the digital innovation came to help us with is to display both results first of all at once, and also this model particularly, the BLPM 13 displays the pulse per minute at the bottom here. So you find that it is actually the better option, especially in 2022, that you buy yourself a digital blood pressure machine. But as you purchase, when someone is telling you you're going to pay $100 for a BP machine, this is the only piece you'll get inside here with its manual. For example, you'll find that when you unbox, you'll find this inside packed very well with a manual, which I can get from this box. So you'll find this user manual, and just like the image here is displaying, you're seeing the normal range. Actually, they just showed the normal figures. It shows the date, the systolic, the diastolic, and the heart rate. So in this manual you'll find a few details about what you should know about the BP, and even basic troubleshooting, which is why I wanted to bring this out. If you find that they're giving you a ridiculous price, then there are other things you must demand with your order. When you place your order with the person and they are charging you a lot of money, then you should know that maybe this person needs to provide you extra parts. For example, the pressure builder we talked about, and a cuff. If the machine comes like this, then it means you're going to have to again procure these parts separately, which is why for this video, that is my key tip. Some of these pressure builders are different, which is why I featured this product. We'll have it opened very quickly. we have this one. So this is also an analog. It combines this, the bigger one, combines it with the pressure builder, and you find that if, for example, if both the digital model, then you don't need this. You don't need to have this one is the equivalent of this digital BP, except this is the analog version. They could sell you this at the same price as the digital, but now that's where your choice comes in. Did you know that this just needs you to have a cuff and you're good to go? So for this video, I wanted to show us the difference between analog and digital BPs, and I hope that it has been helpful. Have a great day, and wherever you are, make a huge change through your career. I'm signing out, Conrad Musime from Uganda, and I would like to send a big thank you to Rima East Africa for providing these devices.